Hello. Imagine if you could, within your Power BI tenant, to connect to various sources of data, import data, transform them, and to use the given data set as a source for your future Power BI reports. Let's meet Power BI Dataflows.
Dataflows are a tool within Power BI which is used to connect and transform data to utilize them as datasets when designing reports. You can look at them as Power Query in the cloud. It is a good way to create reusable datasets that are refreshed each time when a change at data source occurs. They can be used by various divisions within a company to create reports not only in Power BI but also in other Power Platform services. Imported data is stored within the Azure Data Lake repository as a common data model, which are actually CSV files with some metadata. Let's create and use a data flow. In order to create data flows, you must have at least Power BI Professional license and the workspace different from my workspace. I will use a test workspace I have previously created. Go to the workspace, choose New, and then Data Flow. Click on Add New Tables. Here you can see multitude of sources the data flows support. I will choose an Excel file which is kept on OneDrive repository. Browse OneDrive. Choose a file and click Select. I will choose Sales Table and click on Transform Data. Look, it's Power Query. I will delete some columns and then click on Save and Close to finish the transformation. I should call this flow MDF. Here you can see MDF data flow. Now let us start a blank report in Power BI Desktop. To retrieve data from a data flow, click on Get Data, More, select Power Platform and Data Flows. Connect. Find the table within a flow and a designated workspace. Click on Load. And now here's a data set which we can use to create Power BI report. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.